Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error 0x80073D02 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. We have a command for you. Copy this command, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator. Sorry, search for PowerShell. This has to be done in PowerShell. In the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter to re-register the Microsoft Store. And lastly, I'll tell you there is not much you can do with it. Last option will be to reset Windows, though it's an overkill. Backup all of your data because you'll lose your data. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery. Click on reset PC. Select remove everything. And then finally click on cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.